Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hi, everyone. I'm Miles Blake, a Salesforce consultant at Solved. And today, we're exploring how AI-driven deep research tool can complement and streamline the solution design process for your business challenges. Whether you're in technology, finance, healthcare, or consulting like myself, leveraging AI for deep research can be an excellent starting point to get ideas flowing and validate your solutions, without replacing the crucial human creativity and strategic thinking that drive successful projects. When you're faced with complex business problems, deep research tools powered by artificial intelligence can quickly help you explore how others have tackled similar challenges. Think of it as rapidly hiring a skilled researcher to spend hours gathering relevant case studies, best practices, and industry benchmarks, but it's significantly faster and much more cost-effective. This initial step provides you with a broad set of insights and practical examples, inspiring your creativity and helping to set your strategic direction. For instance, imagine you're managing a financial services company aimed to enhance fraud detection capabilities. AI deep research tools could constantly surface detailed information about the most effective practices and innovative technologies adopted by leading banks and fintech firms globally. You'd quickly gather insights into successful machine learning models, regulatory considerations, and emerging techniques that have been proven effective elsewhere. This preliminary research accelerates your internal brainstorming and ensures you start the design process well-informed. Moreover, deep research tools are invaluable for performing sanity checks before you move forward with your proposed solutions. They allow you to quickly test your ideas against real-world experiences and industry standards, which helps you spot potential issues early on. Let's say your healthcare organization plans to implement a new patient management software. Using AI deep research, you can promptly identify common pitfalls, implementation strategies, and best practices from comparable healthcare providers, giving you confidence and clarity before you invest significant resources into execution. It's important to emphasize that AI does not replace human insight and innovation. Rather, it enhances and accelerates them. These tools help filter through vast amounts of information efficiently, allowing you to apply your expertise and strategic thinking more effectively. As these AI platforms continue to evolve, driven by advanced natural language processing, machine learning algorithms, and extensive databases, their ability to provide relevant and timely insights will only increase, making them an even more valuable asset for any business. AI deep research tools enable your team to innovate confidently, speeding up your decision-making process and freeing up time to focus on creative strategy and deeper human-led analysis. If you're interested in learning more about leveraging AI effectively in your solution design process, please check out our AI webinars at solve.cloud. And if you're considering bringing AI tools into your business workflow, we would love to help. Please feel free to reach out today so we can discuss how artificial intelligence can best support your specific needs. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe for more insights on AI and innovation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.